Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to be filming this video because today I will be sharing what I picked up for my Hobonichi 2026 and kind of my plans for next year. I'll likely be setting this up very soon, but everything just came in. Just for kind of reference, this year in 2025, I used this kind of pink purple Hobonichi Weeks, and I added my own stickers on the front and back, which I did a little video clip last year when I was setting this up, and I added this clear cover on top, and I will probably do a flip through soon, but it's looking pretty chunky. And this pencil board here, I'm actually going to continue using in the 2026 one, but I wanted to keep this off the side here just so we had reference. So this is an item that I will be using next year. So I'm going to put this here, but let's unbox what I got. Let's see here. Okay. So I actually had to order from two different shops, mostly because what I wanted from Jet Pens sold out. So let's take a look. Let's do this shop first. So this is actually my first time ordering from, it's called Atlas Stationery, and they were able to, they actually had the Hobonichi Weeks that I wanted for next year. And I got this yellow, this bright yellow color, which I am honestly so excited about. I feel like this is like such a nice, happy pop of color. I felt like this would pair nicely into it. So that's like the first thing that I picked up. This is the Hobonichi Week starting January. And I believe this is the English edition. Let me double check. Yes, English edition here. So my previous one from 2025 was a Japanese edition. So a little bit different there. And I picked up two pens here, the Le Pen in this pink and this purple color. If you guys have been watching, I didn't use it that much in my planner this past year, but I did buy this Le Pen back in 2024, which is the same brand as this coral pink, I guess, and orchid color. Oh, this is just standard brown, so I'll probably use that again next year, so I'm just going to add that in. Some things that I will also be definitely using, so I'm just going to carry those over, are some mild liners, likely more than these colors, but I wanted to kind of show like what I'm keeping around and things that are going to be new. And then, so this is what I ordered, at least these two pens and the Hobonichi Weeks from Atlas Stationery, and the rest from this order is from jetpens.com. So let's see, I'm pretty excited about a couple of these things. I got this adorable clip. I hope it's like big enough. Yeah, I think it would be. Let me just take a look here and see. This is supposed to be a clip to hold my little planner open, and let's see if I can open it right now. Oh, it has some tape on it. But I've been using that gold, the gold clip that you guys see in almost all of my videos, which is right over here, which I probably will still use next year, but I wanted to pick this clip up. I found it on the website and I thought it was so cute. I wasn't sure about the sizing. It is pretty big, which I knew it was going to be big, but I want to see if it actually holds open a Hobonichi Weeks spread. So let's take a look while we're here. I'm going to test this out. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So cute. And so this is on jetpens.com. You can get it with or without the characters. I of course wanted to do something kind of cute, so I got the version with the cute characters on it, but I think that's going to be a wonderful addition to my planning spreads. And of course I got another cover. I mean, you can definitely use the one from the previous year, but I wanted to kind of preserve the stickers and everything from this planner. So I decided let's get another clear cover. So this last thing that I ordered, gosh, I'm so excited for this. These are the Energel Cleanup gel pens. So from this past year, you guys have seen me use these two pens, which I'll just leave here because I'll probably still use them potentially. But someone commented on my videos that Jet Pens actually has the same pen but in like a cute design. So I got, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Technically, they should be writing similarly to the other ones. This is the Studio Ghibli My Neighbor Totoro one, which oh my gosh, like so excited. And I have the little, I have to remove that later, but there's that one. I got this Pochako one. Oh my gosh, but I think the thicknesses are different. So I don't know if it says here, but they're definitely not all the same. Actually, maybe I can read the Pochako one. Doesn't say, but this Totoro is a 0.7 millimeter, so slightly thicker than my usual 0.4s. And I think these are 0.5 to the best of my oh yeah, 0.5. It says right here, sorry. So that's like 0.05, or it says 0.5, but I think it's a 0.5 one. And then this is the 0.7. And I wonder if these actually ever said it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this says well, it says 0.4, but it's a 0.4 millimeter. So yeah, so in order of thickness, this would be the biggest one. And then this, I think it's called Moomin. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I really like this little character as well. So I was like super excited to put that into my, or use it next year. Okay, so these are the items that I picked up and some of the things that I had from last year that I will be reusing in my 2026 Hobonichi planner. As you guys know, I did add the stickers in for here. If you guys have any sticker shop recommendations, please let me know, because I want to go for maybe a similar aesthetic, but a little bit different. I think in terms of like girl stickers, I definitely think I want to add these two to next year. I think this girl just like channels like nice calm energy, so I wanted to put her probably on the front and maybe this girl on the back, but obviously with other stickers. So I kind of set these aside for myself as things that I will be adding to next year's cover. All right, so I guess these are the items that I'm planning to use for 2026. The one thing I didn't add in just yet were the little tabs. So these I got from Amazon last year, but I did have some beautiful tabs from an Etsy shop. I think it's called the Sticky Monster. I will double check and try and link it down below, but I'm gonna check to see if she has weak tabs, because hers were so gorgeous in my cousin. So we'll definitely keep you guys posted. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing what I picked up for 2026. I would love to hear what you guys got for your next year's planner and how you guys plan to set it up. All right, I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.